The external structures of the eye are the visible parts that provide protection and support. The eyelids, or palpebrae, protect the eye from debris, bright light, and injury, and help in spreading tears across the surface of the eye. Eyelashes and eyebrows prevent dust, dirt, and sweat from entering the eye. The conjunctiva is a thin, transparent membrane that covers the sclera, the white part of the eye, and lines the inner surface of the eyelids. It helps in lubrication and protects the eye from infections. The lacrimal apparatus, or tear system, produces and drains tears, keeping the eye moist and free from irritants. The components include the lacrimal glands, which produce tears, and the lacrimal ducts, which drain tears into the nasal cavity. The internal structures of the eye are composed of several layers and chambers that work together for vision. The eye is made up of 3 layers: the outer fibrous layer, the middle vascular layer, and the inner nervous layer. The outer layer, or fibrous tunic, is the protective layer of the eye. The sclera, or white of the eye, is made of dense connective tissue, maintains the shape of the eye, and provides attachment for muscles. The cornea is a transparent, dome-shaped structure covering the front of the eye, allowing light to enter and contributing to focusing. The middle layer, or vascular tunic, provides nourishment and controls the amount of light entering the eye. The choroid contains blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the retina and melanin to absorb excess light. The ciliary body contains the ciliary muscles, which control the shape of the lens for focusing and produces aqueous humor, the fluid in the eye. The iris is the colored part of the eye and controls the size of the pupil, the opening in the center of the iris, to regulate the amount of light entering. The inner layer, or retina, is the light-sensitive layer of the eye that converts light into electrical signals. It contains photoreceptors, rods for low-light vision in black and white, and cones for color vision and sharp details. The fovea centralis is the part of the retina with the highest concentration of cones, providing the sharpest vision. The optic nerve carries visual signals to the brain. The eye contains chambers filled with fluids that maintain its shape and provide nourishment. The anterior chamber is located between the cornea and the iris and is filled with aqueous humor, which provides nutrients and maintains intraocular pressure. The posterior chamber is located between the iris and the lens and is also filled with aqueous humor. The vitreous chamber is the largest chamber, filled with vitreous humor, a gel-like substance that helps maintain the shape of the eye and provides support to the retina. The optical structures of the eye help in focusing light onto the retina. The lens is a transparent, flexible structure that changes shape to focus light onto the retina, controlled by the ciliary muscles. The pupil is the black circular opening in the iris that controls the amount of light entering the eye, dilating in dim light and constricting in bright light. Light enters through the cornea and is focused by the lens onto the retina. The retina converts light into electrical impulses using rods and cones. These signals travel via the optic nerve to the visual cortex of the brain, where they are interpreted as images. The ophthalmic artery supplies oxygen and nutrients to the eye, while the central retinal artery supplies blood to the retina.